If you're facing strange problems in Windows, such as the search not finding programs like Notepad, Paint, and other installed programs, Windows Update issues, or missing sound, here are 3 quick steps to perform before trying any other more complex solutions. First, open an elevated terminal by right-clicking the Start menu and then select the option with Admin or Administrator in the brackets. For older Windows versions, search for CMD or PowerShell, which will also work. Right-click the item and select Run as Administrator. Then paste the following command. This command repairs potential issues with the Windows image by replacing damaged files and downloading clean copies if necessary. However, it requires an active internet connection and might not help if your issue is related to network connectivity. Keep in mind that this command will not work in Windows 7 or older versions. Next, paste and run the following command. This starts the System File Checker, which scans Windows system files for corruption or missing components and automatically repairs them by replacing them with correct versions from the system's local store. Unlike the previous command, this step does not require an internet connection and is useful in many situations. In my experience, it often needs to be run after Windows updates, as even cleanly installed systems followed by updates can lead to corrupted files and strange issues. Finally, restart your computer, which itself resolves over half of Windows problems. You can restart through the Start menu or by using the following command in the terminal. These steps resolve many common issues and prepare your system for further troubleshooting by ruling out system corruption problems. However, if they do not resolve your problem, please feel free to share it in the comments below. Please like the video if it was helpful and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.